You're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 4 to power x plus 4 to power x plus 4 to power x. This is equal to 40. So what is the value of x? Solution from here, you find that 4 to power x is common here. So we factor out 4 to power x. So that now here, 4 to power x divided by 4 to power x, this is 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 40. So the next step here, we have 4 to power x times 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is 3. And this is equal to 40. Let's divide both sides by 3. Here by 3. So that now 4 to power x, this is equal to 40 divided by 3. To solve for the value of x, we introduce logarithm on both sides. So we'll have log 4 to power x. This is equal to log 40 over 3. So we find that log 4 to power x, this is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. Now applying this power rule property of logarithm, then log 4 to power x becomes x log 4. This is equal to log 40 over 3. Now the next step here is to divide both sides by log 4 and also here by log 4. So we simplify here so that x is equal to log 40 over 3 divided by log 4. Now log 40 divided by 3, this is in the form of log a over b, which we can express as log a subtract log b. Applying this logarithm property, then we'll have that x will be equal to log 40 divided by log 4 subtract log 3 divided by log 4. So this implies that we can express 40 as 8 times 5. So let's substitute this. So here we have x is equal to log 8 times 5 divided by log 4 subtract log 3 divided by log 4. Now the next step is that log 8 times 5, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So applying this logarithm property, then here we'll have x equal to, this is log 8 divided by log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 4 subtract log 3 divided by log 4. We can express 8 as 2 to power 3 and we can express 4 as 2 to power 2. Substituting this, we'll have x equal to, now here we have log 2 to power 3 divided by log 2 to power 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2 to power 2 subtract log 3 divided by log 2 to power 2. Now applying the power rule property here, we'll have x equal to, now log 2 to power 3 becomes 3 log 2 divided by log 2 to power 2 becomes 2 log 2, then plus log 5 divided by log 2 to power 2, this is 2 log 2, then subtract log 3 divided by 2 log 2. So the next step is to simplify here. Let's simplify log 2 and log 2 so that now x will be equal to 3 over 2 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2 subtract log 3 divided by 2 log 2. The next step from here, log 5 divided by log 2 and log 3 divided by log 2. This is in the form of log A divided by log B, which we can express as log A to base B. Applying this logarithm property, then you find that x is equal to 3 over 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2 subtract a half log 3 to base 2. So this is the value of x. Now, since a half is common here, we can factor out a half so that we have a half into the parentheses 3 plus log 5 to base 2 subtract log 3 to base 2. So this is the value of x. This is the value of x. So let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Let's verify. Now, if you recall here, we have that 4 to power x plus 4 to power x plus 4 to power x. This should give us a value of 40. Now, we simplify this further to 4 to power x. Remember, this is common. I mean, this is 4 to power x is common here. So this is the same thing as 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 40. So essentially here, this is 4 to power x times 3. This is equal to 40. So let's divide here by 3 by 3. So here we'll have 4 to power x. This should give us a value of 40 over 3. 40 over 3. So let's proceed from here. We have that 4 to power x. This should give us a value of 40 over 3. So let's substitute the value of x. So this is 4 to power 1 over 2 into the parentheses 3 plus log 5 to base 2 subtract log 3 to base 2. This actually is supposed to give us a value of 40 over 3. So this implies that we can express 4 as 2 to power 2. So now here we have 2 to power 2 multiplied by half into the parentheses 3 plus log 5 to base 2 subtract log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 40 over 3. Now, the next step is to simplify here by 2 by 2, so that now we have 2 to power 3 plus log 5 to base 2 subtract log 3 to base 2, and this is supposed to give us a value of 40 over 3. So let's check if this is true. Now, 2 to power 3 plus log 5 to base 2 subtract log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can express as a to power n times a to power m for this part. And then we have that a to power n minus m, which we can express as a to power n divided by a to power m. Applying this property, then this is the same thing as 2 to power 3 times 2 to power log 5 to base 2 divided by 2 to power log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 40 over 3. Let's check this. So we have 2 to power 3. 2 to power 3 here. This is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2, and this is equal to 8. So we have 8 multiplied by 2 to power of 5 to base 2. This is in the form of m to power of a to base m, which essentially is supposed to give us a value of a. Applying this logarithm property, then 2 to power log 5 to base 2, this is the same thing as 5. And 2 to power log 3 to base 2, this will give us a value of 3. Substituting these values, we'll have 8 times 5 divided by 2 to the power of 3 to base 2, which is 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 40 over 3. So 8 times 5, this is 40 over 3, which is equal to 40 over 3. This implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And therefore, this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And that means that the value of x, which is 1 over 2 into the parentheses 3 plus log 5 to base 2, subtract log 3 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps. Like this video. Please like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.